Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right, I am making a card. It's a shaker card with the new card kit, Seaside Treasures. It's absolutely beautiful. You've probably seen a couple of videos before this one. I'm not sure because I don't know when this is going to go up. But I thought I'd get ahead because I'm going away. I'm going to Wales with my daughter. I cannot wait. It's going to be so much fun. But yeah, I thought I'd just get ahead of myself. So yeah, I don't even know what day it is today. It's not even the end of June. That's how ahead I am at the moment. So yes, so I've already made my shaker component of the card, and I just had a couple of plastic bags on my desk, so I thought, I know, a shaker. So I've used one of the cut apart. I've framed it with some of the design paper, not her design paper, some of the paper that she puts in the card kit, so you have more to play with. I have used washi. It's not, this one is not in the card kit. It is available in her shops. So yeah, love it. I've coloured in one of the stamps. Let me show you the stamp set. It's a gorgeous stamp set. So I've used this little lady here and coloured her in. So I've got all my bits already cut. Ooh, beautiful blue. And what I'm going to do first, because I'm using gold peel-offs that I've got. So yeah, I'm going to put this together first. So this is the card from her card kit. This is some of my own paper. And look at this. Look how stupid scissors. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, we're going to get to sticking. Less of the waffling, more of the doing. Make sure I've got it the right way, yes, I think. So how is everybody doing? Oh, we have had some gorgeous weather lately. It's warm. It's not too sunny. It's lovely and warm. It's doing, yeah, so much good for my hips and my back. So yeah, I'm loving the warm weather at the moment. We'll see how long that lasts. More or less straight, is it? That'll do. That'll do. And then we've got this bit. So yeah, lovely weather. I've been out in the garden much, but I have been taking in some of the sun. What have you guys been up to? Been sunbathing? Been on day trips or anything? I'm just nosy. Yeah. Right, so we have got that, and then I've got this, which is going to go over the top like this. So I'm going to get this stuck down, and then I'm going to put my peel-offs on. Peel-offs? Yeah, totally. Peel-offs on either side. And I'm contemplating whether to put this up on some dimension or back it or something. We'll see when I get to actually putting it on. Right, so yeah. Looks lovely already, doesn't it? Is that even straight? It doesn't look straight to me, but yeah, it's done now. So yeah, peel-offs. Okay. So I thought I would use the gold ones because it's got gold in here. But yeah. Put that on. Oh, it come off. So I'm just gonna wrap it around the back. We'll get another one. About there. Yep. Make sure it's stuck down. And it's a bit wonky. Wrap that around the back. I do know what day it is. It's Sunday because my son is here. He's come for his Sunday dinner. That was a bit long for me to remember. But yeah, he's come for his Sunday dinner and we're having mince and dumplings. Cannot wait to get stuck into that. Both my sons are upstairs at the moment messing about with my younger son's computer because, yeah, they're boys. And there's something wrong with his computer. I haven't a clue. I tried to join in with the conversation with them yesterday. It's like, yeah, man, you don't know what you're talking about. So I thought, no, I've got nothing to add to this conversation, so I walked away. I like to help. Okay, so we have that, and then my lady is going to sit here. This is going to go here. She needs to come down a little bit actually. So we'll have her there. That is going to go there. I like the big birthday. And I've got some, look at these flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous flowers. So, and this was going to go about here. But I don't know if it needs backing. Have I got any more of that paper? No. I've got white though. Stamped it wrong. Let me just see if the white would help somewhat. I don't know. Do you know? I don't think. No, I don't think it needs anything. I've already put my what's it called? What's this? Yeah. So I've already put that on. So yeah. Let's just try and peel this back. If it's gonna, the backing is gonna come off. There we go. There's that one. Nope, doesn't want to come off that bit. There we go. There we are. I'm going to put some, just a little bit of glue on the outside. Get off. Eesh, just a little bit of glue on the outside. Quite like how the washi's gone on the back. I wish I'd have done that for the front, but never mind. There we go. And I'm going to stick this down first. That is going to go about there. It's a bit wonky, but I'm not taking it up now because it's stuck already. Yeah. Just gonna push that down so it sticks around the edges. Could have put it up on some dimension, couldn't I? Never mind. Never mind. Okay. And these, let me just give it a shake over. I don't want to, there we go. These I was just gonna put like down here like that. Oh, that looks beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So we'll get these stuck down first. Lots of glue, because it's sticking on like plastic, so. And it's very difficult to stick down on plastic sometimes. Anything shiny, anything with a shiny surface. Should I put the blue in the middle? Yeah, I'm going to put the blue in the middle. I love how bright these colours are as well. Just beautiful, aren't they? Come here. And you do get quite a lot of flowers in this card kit, so you get all of these. Gorgeous! Okay, so that is stuck down there. She needs to be about there. I'm just wondering whether or not to lift her up a little bit, like just on this bit here. I think I'm going to actually. Yeah. Just this bit, so it's a little bit up. And I'm doing this card for my sister's birthday. It's her birthday in July. So yeah, I thought this will be lovely, this. To give her it as a birthday card. Like that. Stick that down like that. Then it just looks like she's like lifted herself up, doesn't it? It looks better. I'm thinking this needs backing though. Yeah. I do have some more of this. No, I don't want that. It's got that on the back as well. I do have some more blue, but yeah, I'm going to stick this down on to the blue paper, blue card. I don't know what else to do with this kit. I know it's a card kit, but you don't have to necessarily like make cards with it, do you? No, I don't know. I don't know what to do. I probably will make some more cards, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. I think I'm going to do some bookmarks. Yeah. Yeah, could be. Right, and I'm going to stick this down. No dimension on this. Oh. And I think we're finished, you know. Oh no, we're not. I need to put some flat back pearls on. She's got blue ones. Gorgeous blue. Where are you? There. So gorgeous blue flat back pearls. That one wanted to come out anyway. I think I only want 3. I've got glue on my hands and everything's sticking. That didn't want to stick though, did it? There we go. Yeah, I think I only want 3, so I want 1 here. 1 here. 1 there, I think. Yeah. Let's get my picky up tool. Just put my hand in that glue. 1 there. 1 there. Oh, that's beautiful. I like that. Let me put my top on my glue. And there we go. That is my card finished. That is beautiful. I like that. I like how colourful it is. These flowers are just beautiful. And it's a shaker. Shaker, shaker, shaker. I love it. So yeah, that is my card using the beautiful card kit, Seaside Treasures. Let me just bring these bits in because these are beautiful bits. Look at that. Gorgeous bits. And the words, oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that's my card finished. Clap. This, like I said, this is not from the card kit. You do get washi tape in the card kit and it's ice creams. But you can buy this separately. Along with lots of other bits and bobs that she's got in her shop. Absolutely gorgeous bits. But yeah, I'm done. I'm going to let you go. That was quick for me doing a shaker card, wasn't it? So yeah, looking through the camera, it looks beautiful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.